Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. It's been 13 days of uploads. I'm honestly so proud of myself because it's been a lot. There's days where I'm uploading a little later and stuff, which I hate doing that because it's just not a good time to upload at night. But I force myself to do it because I'm like, I cannot skip a day. I am so dedicated to this Vlogmas and I'm so proud of myself. And today we're making slime, okay? I might not even leave my house if I'm being honest. We're prepping for Slime Mania. Slime Mania is legitimately in 3 days. My brother just let me know, by the way. There's only about 20 tickets left, general admission. 20 general admission tickets left and they're gone. So you better go snatch. I'm actually gonna link Slime Mania down below. If you wanna come meet Squishy Bunny and I, Parakeet Slime, Slime Yoda, Glitter Slimes, Peachy Babies, Nicole Jacqueline, there's gonna be a lot of Slimers there selling slime, and there's gonna be meet and greets, there's gonna be fun panels, Q&As, demos, giveaways. Our booth is gonna be freaking lit. At Slime Bash, we had fatty packs at the Craft City booth and we're having them again. And I'm even thinking, last time at Slime Bash, I made slime for a video and I told you guys that if you came up to the booth and said trick or treat, you can get a free 1 ounce. Well, this time we're planning something very similar. We're gonna make tiny little goodie bags with a few extras in there and a 1 ounce slime. And I think I'm gonna make the slime today. It's a gift from me to you for coming to Slime Mania and just coming by to say hello. So the first 100 to 200 buyers will receive a free goodie bag. We have a very limited amount, and if you want some free goodies, come through. The last time I prepped for a slime convention was in October for Slime Bash, and now I'm so excited to prep for Slime Mania because I'm gonna be giving you guys some of this slime, like the freebie slime that you'll get at Slime Mania. I was thinking, why not just show you how I made it? I'm gonna use clear glue and it's gonna be a cloud slime. Squishy Bunny's here.
What's up, y'all?
How much should we make? What should we send to, like, ooh, maybe like chocolate chip cookies or something?
Yeah, I feel embarrassed. 2 shots of it.
This one's a really strong scent, which I love. The reason I'm making this cloud slime with clear is because if I made it with a white base, it wouldn't be as red. Clear cloud slime, something about them is just so nice. I love them so much. They drizzle easier too. So here's a little tutorial. Oh, snap. Is that a lot? Is that good?
Go in, trust me.
Go in?
Yeah.
Santa's blood. Oh my gosh.
Like literally, reindeer got slayed.
Grandma got ran over by a reindeer. Honestly, I always thought about that song and I was like, that song's low-key freaking terrifying. It's like talking about how she got ran over by a reindeer and it's like all like this like happy, jolly vibe. But then you actually hear the lyrics and you're like, this is low-key freaking scary. Make sure it's activated before you add snow. We're gonna crank it up a little bit. Oh! While that's mixing and getting activated, we're gonna add some instant snow into this bucket, and I'm gonna activate the snow, which just means adding water to it. But we're not gonna wet it all the way. You don't want to soak it up completely. You're gonna soak it up where it's fluffy, but it's not too wet, and that's what's gonna make the cloud slime honey. And this is how you want your snow to look. So there's actually a movie already on Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer, and it came out in 2000, but it's like a cartoon animation. I really want to search up the lyrics though, because I remember hearing this and I was low-key scared. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Oh my god. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Hold on. Is Santa evil? She'd been drinking too much eggnog. Oh snap, she was getting lit. Okay, Grandma, go off. When we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, hold on. Now we're all so proud of Grandpa. He's been taking this so well. It's not Christmas without Grandma. All the family's dressed in black. She died! And we can't help but wonder, should we open up her gifts or send them back? This is a screwed up family. I've warned all my friends and neighbors, better watch out for yourselves. They should never give a license to a man who drives a sleigh.
Santa's not who you believe.
So Santa, well, she was the drunk driver, not Santa Claus. You can't blame him, okay?
No, she was walking.
Leave Santa Claus out of this. Actually, I think
medication.
She was, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so Santa Claus was probably the drunk driver.
Well, no one was. She was drunk, but he wasn't drunk.
She was drunk, but he hit her somehow.
When does Santa go on the road? Like he goes on the road.
I was thinking that. He doesn't go on the road.
Plot hole.
Plot twist, he murdered her. That's all telling you, this would make a really good freaking horror film. Netflix, hit me up. I'll play the grandma or Santa Claus. I'm down for either. The slime is done. We just added snow, but we are adding more. So far, I've used 2 of these already, which is a lot of snow. And thank goodness for this mixer, because if it wasn't for the mixer, I would literally be making slime with my hands for like 5 hours. So you're just gonna add snow. As you can see, I added 2 big old containers of snow already. And you're just gonna mix and mix and mix. This smells so freaking good. I literally just wanna jump in it. Wait, oh my god, wait. Did I tell you guys about my graffiti stickers? I did. I told you guys on Instagram that I came out with stickers on graffiti. There's so many different stickers. Make sure to tag me on Instagram if you guys use them. Go download graffiti. I feel like they're just such a mood. Like, how are you doing today? I'm doing great. Jumps the slime. Look at her go. We stan. You're doing amazing, sweetie. I want it to be a nice cloud break, so there she is. Sprinkles. And when I package it, I'm actually gonna sprinkle them on top. That's why I'm not putting that much. Oh, so cute. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand, this smells so freaking good. And I honestly still don't know what to name this, so comment down below. Snatch it at Slime Mania. We will be giving out 100 to 200, not 100% sure yet, but anywhere between that to the first buyers. Wow. Making slime. I just put some glue in here. This is gonna be called Slime Mania. It's gonna be inspired by Slime Mania. Whoa! So much slime. I have a mix going on right here of green, purple, and orange because that is the Slime Mania colors. We have some of this slime right here. I don't think this is a slime that was for the shop. I think I actually made this slime when I had the ABC interview, and they just wanted to get me making slime, so I made this slime. It's really nice and thick. I actually really like it. Comment down below what you would name this slime. It's so thick and it smells like cake. Do you see that gloss? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Thickie is ready.
Done.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Thickie, we stand. This is a fresh batch, obviously, so it's not as thick as it's gonna be. But look at this. Can you believe this is all I've been doing all day? Is just stuck in the slime room? Not gonna lie, I stayed in bed all day. I haven't really done much, and when I did start being productive, I was like, oh my god, I need to start making slime for Slime Mania, and now we're here. I promise you there is a lot of more fun vlogs to come. Today's just one of those days where we're just making slime, you know, because Slime Mania is a few days away. What a day of just making slime. If you're not a huge slime lover, I am sorry. But this is like my life right now. Slime Mania is legitimately in 3 days and we're just trying to get it together. So today's just dedicated to prepping. Look at my crusty lips, ew. I'm low-key tired and it's just been a long day. I'm like oily and I'm a mess already. Tomorrow's vlog will be much more productive. Well, actually today was productive because we made slime for Slime Mania. But it'll hopefully be a more adventurous vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy vlog.